It is my privilege to present the following program that was inspired by the way American businesses and organizations have responded to the events of September 11th. It's part of a special series produced by Heartbeat of America. Having served in the United States Navy for many years, I fully appreciate the important role small and middle-sized businesses play in the very fabric of our country, and I salute the professionals who lead these companies and thus keep America strong. They are the very backbone of our free enterprise system, and today on this program, you will meet the individuals behind one such organization. I'll be back later in the program to introduce the Keeping America Strong Award. And now, let's learn more about the organization we are honoring today.
Today, the eyes and ears of the 21st century are focused on new developments, new technologies, new emerging companies. We're on the scene to bring it to you as it happens.
We anchor from our new studios in Los Angeles and then go out all over America to get to the heart of the story.
I'm Bert Tenzer.
I'm Bella Shaw.
I'm Doug Llewellyn.
And I'm William Shatner, and this is Heartbeat of America. Since 2001, our television series has been featuring entrepreneurial companies that move our country and our economy forward. Standing by at our studios in Los Angeles is one such company.
And I'm Doug Llewellyn here in our studios in Los Angeles with our guest, who happens to be the president and the senior engineer of a company named Iode, that stands really for Input Output Defense Engineering. The company is headquartered in Salt Lake City, Utah. And I should point out that the company, by the way, is an engineering hardware and software systems design, development, integration, evaluation, and test company. They really do provide a complete list of services, and it all focuses around military weapons and hardware. Very interesting story indeed. The president and senior engineer is seated here on my left. His name is Carlos Medina. Carlos, welcome. Nice to have you with us.
Thank you.
Before we begin, a few moments ago, or a little while ago, you had a chance to actually talk with William Shatner. Let's take a look at that.
Sure.
Welcome. Good to have you with us. All right, let's begin by telling me what you do and who benefits from it.
We design weapon systems for the military, for the U.S. government, and we do it from concept all the way to integration.
Well, you're obviously successful. So what do you attribute your success to? Any particular philosophies or strategies?
We're very consistent, and we follow our ISO process. We are ISO certified, and what that means is we have processes in place for every phase of the engineering development cycle.
We're back again now with Carlos Medina. He's very interesting. He's the president and the senior engineer of Iode, again headquartered in Salt Lake City, Utah. Tell me a little bit about your background and the story of how the company started.
Sure. We started 17 years ago.
Yeah.
And I started the company when I finished my bachelor's in electrical engineering. I got my bachelor's in electrical engineering at FIU, Florida International University, and I found it more attractive to do these engineering projects than to continue my master's at that point. So I started the company, and we've done 57 projects of these sorts that you saw earlier.
So many of them involved with the military.
Mostly in the military, yes.
Obviously, you've got great connections, and I mean, obviously, great talents to be able to attract and land these kinds of contracts. I mean, are you surprised at how successful the company has been?
Yes, somewhat. I think that one of the secrets is consistency. There's been many times we've turned the page and said, let's try this avenue. So it hasn't been a bed of roses.
Well, I'm sure, yeah. I mean, every story has its companies and the stories of its woes. Where do you see the company going, Carlos? What are your goals? I mean, you're a very ambitious guy, obviously. Where do you want to take this company? We
have developed some products, and we wanted to expand over to the international market. We're going through, of course, the State Department, and they're licensing us to be able to sell some of these weapon systems to our friendly neighbors. We expect to do that. We also expect to, also in our own community here in the U.S., be able to expand some of their legacy products. So we expect to grow somewhat here in the next 5-10 years.
So you see getting much larger and being involved in much more complex projects as well. Yeah, I just I ought to ask you about the background of your staff. I guess that they're mostly all engineers. Is that right? For the most part?
For most parts, yes. The core is mostly all engineers. We do have other non-engineering staff, but the experience they have all have gone through mishaps. And what that means is they've been on projects that either have been overrun or under budget or been cut. And so when I've created this group, they know what it is to be on time and to be able to be accountable for the work you have in front of you.
You enjoy your job?
Yes. Yes, I do very much. I still do. I still wonder why I get paid.
That's a very good way to put it, indeed. Carlos, congratulations. Thank you so much for telling us your story.
Thank you. Thank you, Doug.
We have been watching the operations of an organization which is doing its part to keep America strong, and we've been learning from its leaders about what they're doing to help move our country forward. This organization represents companies across our great nation that embody the spirit, dedication, know-how, and can-do attitude which has made America the great nation it is today. And now let's present the Keeping America Strong Award.
Now it's my honor to present this prestigious award to Carlos Medina, the president and the senior engineer of Iode, Inc. in Salt Lake City, Utah, for the outstanding work that his company is doing to help keep America strong. That's exactly what you're doing, Carlos. Thank you so much. Pleasure to give this to you.
Thank you very much, Doug. And I must thank all the engineers that helped me and also the clients have trusted us with these projects, these very delicate projects with all that, so I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Congratulations for earning the Keeping America Strong Award, which honors innovators and leaders like you who are the heartbeat of America.
For more information on this company and their services, you can visit their website. It's www.spaciode.com.
I'm William Shatner. Thanks for watching.